Hey guys, how are you today? Hope you are doing fine. So today we are going to do another ring pour. I'm experimenting with ring pours a lot lately. I think ring pour is one of those techniques which teaches you a lot about fluid art. The consistency, the layering of the pour all play their distinctive roles. So the colors for today are titanium white, turquoise blue, ultramarine blue, cadmium yellow, deep hue, naphthol, crimson red, all from Liquitex Basics. My white is definitely denser than the rest of the colors. It just went right down to the bottom of the cup, I suppose. Oh, these are all the primary colors. Love it. So for the base, I'm using the paint which gets spilled off of the canvas while stretching the paint. I have collected it, strained it, and I store in a jar. The dynamic of paint is such that it rolls over the canvas while we spread it. So applying a base coat helps it glide rather than rolling over. I'm going slowly to create this intricate patterns. Yes, my red is coming out. That white that went right at the bottom of the cup, it mixed with a blue and turquoise blue, and it's tinted now. Good. I will try a different thing here, trying it to get a pattern out of it, just to spice things up. This is the best part of a pour painting, the pour. It looks so beautiful. See, that's what I was talking about. Now the paint is gliding over. And you get to use your spilled over paint. Now I'm gonna go to the other side. I don't like the red and yellow that much, so I will try to get it off the canvas. Oh, I like the pattern it created. It's like fire and ice. Lines of fire. Going to the other side. Hey, if you like my videos, please subscribe and like and share and hit that notification bell. It It will help my channel grow and encourage me to make more art videos for you so that you can sit back and relax, maybe learn a tip or two. We can grow together. Also, tell me about the colors. What do you think of it? I think this is lovely. It turned out great. I'm gonna torch it to get rid of any air bubbles. It looks beautiful. Let's look at it closely. Oh my god, this is just gorgeous. It looks like ice and fire. There are some cells, maybe because there was some satin enamels in my white. It's braid-like pattern like clouds.